Okay, I'm back from soldering it. Hope it doesn't come back off. Okay, so like I said, line it up with the screws. You can see it. Wait, oh wait, this one first, where the string connects to. God, the string's tangled with these wires. Oh well. There we go. Like I said, now where's my screwdriver? Here it is. Remember, you put these screws in there. Okay. Okay, got this one in, now you have to do the other. The screws in there look like this. You can't just do any screw, of course, you already know. Or else it won't hold it down. You have to fight with the screws a little bit to get them in. You usually have to have a magnet screwdriver for magnet screws so it doesn't slide down there like it just did. I thought I brought my one down here, but no, hopefully I can get it. Okay, I got it. Okay, then we, string. Yeah, this is very short string. What the heck? This string gets caught on anything. Then we close the bar up. Take these screws, put them back in. Take another screw. Okay. Now, we have to connect the body back to the bar. Okay, so you take these, connect them. Of course, you did this when you brought it home from the store. Oh, that screw isn't tight enough. Gotta tighten it a little bit more. Sometimes the screws crack, places crack, so it doesn't work. Okay, this one's not cracked, so it's in. Okay, then take the hand, connect it to this clip. think this is twisted. I don't know. Can't see it. Too far back. You know how to do these steps. You did it when you brought it home from the store. Okay. Now you put the batteries back in. Of course, I don't keep covers on my stuff. Okay, so now just hang it back up somewhere or wherever it was that you had it. Oh, sorry, it's not really on yet, but it's gonna be. Here, there's a spot. Now I turn it on. Do the release button. That's that little tiny button right there. That's a release button. Make it release to the top. If that hand is not, if one of your hands are not going to the top, and the one that is, here, I'll show you. That one's not going all the way to the top, so what you do, disconnect this, hit the release button, connect the piece that was already to the top, back on, and they're at the top, both the hands. That's what I couldn't figure that out when I first got it. Okay, it's fixed. See, works again, doesn't it? It might snap, like I said, because I don't have new string in it, so mine's gonna snap again. And it's not looking down. And it doesn't even go all the way to the top. See? That's not even medium string, and it's not even going to the top. Although I might need to charge her now. It's not going to be that short on Halloween, the stream. Okay, so there you go. And I'm going to charge her.